Welcome to the Apex Ace Repro Smart Warmer tutorial. This item includes two interchangeable sanitary sleeves to keep the guns clean, an actual smart warmer, an outer protective casing to keep manure and moisture and dirt away from them, a strap to carry the unit either on your waist, on your chest, or on your back, a battery pack with charging ports. The sanitary sleeve inside can be easily removed and replaced with the interchangeable one by undoing a few clips in the bottom and on the top, pulling it out and replacing it with a clean one. The Smart Warmer instruction tutorial. The battery pack comes with two types of charging ports, which are stored very nicely within the battery pack, power pack. It comes also with a USB cable, and you can check the battery by hitting the power button, and tells you the strength of the battery. The pack goes inside this little pocket. It's very handy, keeps it clean and away from things. It attaches to the bottom of this control unit. You plug it in, turn the power on. It is set at a default of 36 degrees. I've already adjusted to 35. All you have to do to adjust it is use the arrow down or arrow up buttons. Whatever temperature you leave it at is where it will set to. It'll keep flashing until it gets to the right temperature, and then it'll get solid. It also has a timer, which works by hitting the hourglass and holding it down for 3 seconds. You see this come up. Use the arrow up or down to set the timer, 20 minutes. You hit the button one more time, the arrow up, till it beeps. Then you hit the hourglass twice. It comes on with on, and it's now on for 20 minutes. Once it hits the 35-degree temperature range. That's all there is. You place your guns in at the top. Once it reaches that 35 degrees, the straps can be adjusted to wherever you want to attach them on the back of it and on the bottom, and carry it however you like best in the barn. You can also slide the protective sleeve over top of it to give it more protection in the barn. There we go. Thank you.